In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve deleted tasks in Asana. If you've ever deleted a task by accident, don't worry. Asana makes it possible to bring it back, and I'll walk you through it clearly and calmly. We'll start right where the task lived, then use advanced search to surface deleted items, and finally restore the one you need. First, open the project where the task was deleted. Starting inside the correct project keeps your results focused and saves time, especially if you work across multiple teams or workspaces. Make sure you're looking at the project that originally contained the missing task, since that's where we'll filter our search. Next, open advanced search. Click the search bar at the top. Depending on your layout, it might say search this view. Then look for the three dots or the more options button and choose advanced search. This expands the search panel so you can get specific about what you want to find instead of scanning through everything in your account. Now set the filter for deleted tasks. In the advanced search window, find the status or status filter and change it to deleted. This is the key step that tells Asana to only show items that have been removed rather than completed or active tasks. If you don't see many results, double check that your search is scoped to the project you opened earlier. Click search to run it. Asana will display all deleted tasks within that project that match your filters. Take a moment to scan the titles, assignees, or any keywords to confirm you found the right task. If you're seeing too much, you can adjust the search text in the bar to narrow it down without changing the deleted status filter. When you've located the task you want to recover, restore it. Click the task, then select the trash icon or the restore control to bring it back. Asana will return the task to the project along with its details, like description, comments, and subtasks, as long as they were part of the task when it was deleted. After restoring, review its assignee, due date, and any custom fields to ensure everything is still accurate. There's also a fast alternative for recent mistakes. Right after you delete a task, Asana shows an undelete or undo option on screen. Click that immediately, and the task comes back on the spot. No searching required. This prompt is temporary, so use it as soon as you notice the deletion. That's it. By opening the right project using advanced search with a deleted status filter and restoring the task you need, you'll recover lost work in just a few clicks.